Now, Coach Stoney, how am I going to write an equation given 2 points? Well, glad you asked that. But let's think about it. The first thing we want to do is this. Find the slope. And remember the slope, the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1? And notice I kind of colored all these in here. Here's my x2, y2, x1, y1. Notice the colors all match up here. So now I'm just going to go plug them in, right here on this here. So very simply, that's 7 minus 4, which is 3 over 2. Now think about it. If the slope is 3 over 2, and we want that equation y equals mx plus b, I've got the slope, but do I have the b? Well, look at all these points. Every single one of these points has a point where an x is 0. See that? That means that this is the y-intercept. That 0, 4 is the y-intercept because that's where it crosses the y-axis. So, I mean, all I got to do to write the equation is put this 3 halves here and that 4 right there. That's it. Y equals 3 halves x plus 4. That was it. Okay. So on the second one, first I got to find the slope. That's right. So take the 5 minus the negative 2 and 1 minus 0. 5 minus negative 2 is 7. 1 minus 0 is 1. So I have 7 over 1. So the equation will be what? Y equals mx plus b. So it's going to be y equals 7x. And I'm going to put that 2 right there. So y equals 7x minus 2. There you go. Look at 23. Okay, first I got to find the slope. 7 minus 3, negative 3 minus 0. Hey, well, that's going to be 4 over negative 3. That's right. And so my y-intercept is that 3, because that's the 0 one. So y equals negative 4/3 x plus 3. That's it. There's the equation. Now look at 24. Did I trick you up here a little bit? Well, yeah, no, Coach Stoney. First off, let's still got to find the slope. Take the 7 minus the 3 and the 0 minus 2, which gives me 4 over negative 2, which is the same thing as the slope of what? Got to reduce it, negative 2, right? But the y-intercept isn't this one. Now it's this one because that's the one with a 0. So now I'm just going to write, yeah, I get it. Y equals negative 2x plus 7. Okay. And then the last one, I still got to do the slope. Negative 2 minus 2 would be, negative 4. And 0 minus negative 3 would be like a plus 3. So my slope's negative 4/3. So I just got to write that y equals mx plus b. But this time the b is the negative 2. So my answer is y equals negative 4/3 x minus 2. Wow. So I can, if I have 2 points, as long as one of those points has a 0 in it, I can still write an equation. Yes, because here's the y-intercept, and use the 2 points to find the slope. Basically, to write an equation, I need a slope and another point. And it's really easy if the other point is the y-intercept. I think I got it.